Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm gonna be discussing more on customer experience, so let's get into it. All right, so the inspiration from today's video was from a comment from Benjamin Dover on a video that I made titled, How to Know If Your City is a Good Place for a Real Estate Photography Business. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. Links on the screen or in the description. But anyways, Benjamin Dover said, can you speak more about the aspects of delivering a good customer experience? Now, in my opinion, there are a lot of different variables that go into creating a great customer experience, right? So every touch point with your customers, whether that's in person, on your website, every piece of your business, I think, is an opportunity to deliver a great customer experience or a bad one, right? So I think one thing that's really important to always keep top of mind is making it easy for customers to do business with you, giving them a lot of options, and that's why we spend a lot of time, effort, and energy on our systems. We've developed an app. We simplify our website just to make it easier, faster, and give customers some self-service options. They can reschedule, cancel, and do all this on their own without having to speak to anybody on our team. And then what does that messaging look like on your website? What are your confirmation pages, and how is your team interacting? Is your tone of voice in your emails come across as a friendly, wanting to help, or annoyed, or just very short? Really, we have standards in place for sure. At the end of the day, our goal is to deliver a great customer experience, one that's friendly, helpful. That's the type of business that we run here. Some things just from me, like I really like to, thank the customers. Hey, first name, use their name, and thank them at the end of emails. And I think that goes a long way. There's some, obviously, when you run a company that does a high volume of work like we do, I'm not involved with the interactions with every customer, but I want them to know that I am available for them to talk to. So at the bottom of all of our delivery emails, and even emails sent from our admins, it says if you're not 100% satisfied with the service received, you can reach out to the owner, which is me directly, and my cell phone number, as well as my direct email. So I'm always close to our customers, right? Even though I'm not really, engaging with them on a day-to-day basis. Also, I think reviews is very important. So we integrate reviews about their experience when we deliver our photos or videos to them, so they can give us immediate feedback and give us the opportunity, to recognize team members if they did a great job, and then address issues if they come up as well. And so I think these are a few very important pieces of the puzzle of creating a great customer experience. Now, I think it's important for you just to sit down and figure out what experience you're trying to create for your customers, and how can you make it better, make it easier for them to do business with you. And at the end of the day, for them just to say, wow, that was a great experience. I'm gonna refer my real estate friends to your company because it was such a great experience. And that's kind of our experience today, right? Once you have that critical mass of customers, we really, really do truly care and focus about our customer experience. And the results show in referrals that our customers give us. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I like short videos. I think you guys like short videos as well. But if you guys have any specific questions about the customer experience, leave them in the comment section below. I just might make a video like this responding. So thanks again, Ben, for your question, and we'll see you guys on the next one.